In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the Murder Mystery 2 bubble blower not working. Intro. First things first, you need to make sure that you have actually unlocked the bubble blower during the 2026 summer event. You unlock it just by completing the first event quest, which does require opening up at least one Summer Box 26. Once it's unlocked, just open up your emotes and make sure that the bubble blower is equipped in one of your emote slots. And as soon as you, of course, go ahead and do that, you can just do it. If it's not appearing or if it's not activating properly, try unequipping it and then equipping it again and then testing it in the lobby. And then of course, if it's still not working, leave the game and then join again. Or what you can also go ahead and do is leave Roblox fully and then reopen it. Also make sure Roblox is updated, and if it's still not working after that, it may be a temporary Murder Mystery 2 bug, so check again after the game receives an update. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.